tunnel. Still not finished. So we have another load of these that have arrived. They just need to be put up, and then I've still got these to plant out. Probably too much for in here, but some of them will definitely go in. And the cucumbers, I'm debating about whether to put them in here or at the front with the other with the, what the words escape me sometimes, well, a lot of the time, menopause. So with the cucumbers and pumpkins, so if I do it though, I'm really worried because we've done these in the past and they sort of really spread out, they get really big, and I was something really stupid. I've sort of compacted them, because where we've not done the sweet pea teepee, we've got all this space, so I kind of thought I'll grow them this way. But the dill pumpkin is like there, so that's a giant pumpkin, and then we got cucumbers there, another pumpkin there, another cucumber there. I know all these spread out quite big. I'm wondering whether I should get a frame and go up rather than along on these, because otherwise it's gonna be an absolute no. In the greenhouse we got one of them like big things that they climb up. It's not that big, but it's big enough. That work. That thing. I bet that'll work. Ooh, I've now got a job to do. Right. I'll see you later.